Need a new roof that lasts like 40 years without breaking the bank? Alright, so if you're thinking about replacing your roof and want something solid for the long haul, here's the lowdown. First off, consider architectural shingles instead of basic 3-tab ones. They look better and usually last way longer, like 30 to 40 years if you get good quality. Metal roofs are also a solid choice if you're into something durable and low maintenance, although they're pricier upfront. Make sure whoever you hire is licensed and has good reviews. A sloppy install can wreck even the best materials. Also, check local building codes and ask about warranties. Some companies offer extended coverage that covers labor, not just materials. Don't forget proper ventilation and insulation under your roof. It keeps everything lasting longer and saves on energy bills. If you're not super pressed for cash but want to avoid wasting money, it's smart to focus on durability and energy efficiency instead of just cheapest price. Finally, get multiple quotes so you can compare what's included and avoid surprises later on. One of the biggest mistakes people make when choosing a new roof is picking cheap materials that won't hold up, which just means paying twice later on. Fix that by investing in well-known brands and styles with proven longevity. Another common issue is ignoring proper installation. Bad roofing jobs lead to leaks even with top-notch shingles. Always hire experienced contractors with strong references to dodge this. Lastly, some folks don't think about how the roof affects their insurance coverage, which can be a big deal because insurers often limit payouts for older roofs or low-quality replacements. To avoid this, ask your agent how the new roof impacts your policy and make sure it meets their standards for full coverage. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people looking for quality work, making the whole process way smoother for everyone involved.